name is Ken with SledTrack.com, and today I have an overview of what we offer you guys who are looking for the Ripsaw track that has a 96 pre-molded holes with the Woodys Traction Master stud kit included for our special price. So you get the track, which is a 9968H96, which has the 96 pre-molded holes all in the middle. Okay, and then included is the Woodys Traction Master studs, 60-degree studs in a 1.325 length. So you get the track, the studs, the nut, and a square backer. If you want, we can substitute the round backers if some guys prefer them. The square are the most popular. So installation is easy. You just need a few tools. You'll need a wrench. It's a 13mm wrench. You need a 4mm hex key wrench or a 4mm socket with another ratchet. And then you push the stud through the inside of the track. It's very simple. There's a hole pre-molded. You push that in. You'll put your backer on perpendicular to your traction bars. Put the nut on, and you should have a torque wrench. Woody recommends torquing these to 15 foot-pounds. 15 foot-pounds for the 2-ply track, which is what this is. Don't over-tighten them. You will strip them. Then you lose the effectiveness, of course, of the nut. This will allow you optimum penetration without a lot of math, and you know it's going to work. Just make sure you guys have the clearance. Woody's always recommend you use tunnel protectors in your machines and double check your clearances to make sure that these studs will clear if you have an older machine, so you don't damage things and cause expensive damage to your heat exchangers or coolers. If you have any more questions, you can contact us at SledTrack.com through an email or the phone number there. Again, this is available for order on our website as one complete package, so you don't have to go searching for the studs. We only sell the Woodys due to the quality and the way they're measured, and it maintains the Camso warranty. Thank you.